Good morning, everyone. We are coming with a subject quality and safety management. Today, in this class, we'll be discussing about factors affecting the cost of owning and operating the construction equipment. In the last class, we had studied about the factors affecting the selection of the equipment. In today's class, we'll be going ahead with the factors affecting the cost of owning and operating the construction equipment. First, what is a factor? Depreciation cost. That is first factor. Depreciation is defined as a measure of decline value of the equipment due to age, use and obsolescence. So what is happening to the equipment, or we have to measure the decline value of the equipment due to the age, use and obsolescence. After some years, after so many uses, what does the depreciation happen to that equipment? Hourly depreciation is equal to 0.9 into C by L. C is book value of the new machine and L is the lifespan of the machine in hour. So based on this, we have to calculate the hourly depreciation. The book value, what is the value of that new machine we purchased? That is what C. L is the lifespan of the machine in hours. What is the lifespan? So 0.9 into C by L will give the hourly depreciation. So depreciation means it is a decline value of the equipment due to the age, use and obsolescence. Investment cost. First is interest amount, second is the taxes, third is the insurance, storage. So this is about 10 to 15% of average investment. Capital cost does not remain same for as time passes. So second factor is the investment cost. So the interest amount, how much is the interest coming, taxes, insurance or storage. So based on that it will be varied. So the capital cost does not remain the same as time passes. So whatever we spend it may not be same after 10 years. So here there is an equation. If S is equal to 0, S is the salvage value. If S is 0, average investment is calculated as 1 plus N by 2N into P. N is the useful life in years and P is the capital cost. And if S not equal to 0, the investment will be S N minus 1 plus P into N plus 1 by 2N. So where S is the salvage value, N is the useful life in years and P is the capital cost. Salvage value means the value of that damaged property. Third one will be the maintenance and repair cost. If the maintenance and repairs are done at frequent, the usage life of the equipment can be increased. So for a car, for example, if you are using a car, if you are doing the servicing properly, if you are properly doing the service, what will happen? We can use that car for long years. Same thing, if you are doing the servicing of our air conditioner, fridge, etc. So what will happen? We can use that for a long time. Same thing for the equipment also. In the construction equipment also, if we do the maintenance and repair are done at frequent, the usage life of the equipment can be increased. So we have to apply oil at proper time. We have to do the maintenance at proper time. Maintenance and repairs will be 100% of the annual depreciation. So you all know what is about depreciation. So the maintenance and repair will be 100% of the annual depreciation. Next is the operation cost, that is ownership cost. Include total maintenance and repair cost over the life of the machine will equal 75% of the new cost of the machine. So operation cost means it is a ownership cost. So total maintenance and repair over the complete life of the machine will be equal to the 75% of what we are purchasing a new machine. So the complete maintenance, the lifelong of the machine, if you are doing complete maintenance, will be equal to 75% of the new cost of the machine. So operators and maintenance crew charges will be there in that case. Depreciation on tire and tubes will be taken as 15% of hourly depreciation cost. So this is what means the operation cost. Continuing with the operation cost, in that fuel charges will be considered. The equipment, in order to work the equipment, fuel will be required, so fuel charges will be considered. Labor charges, that include wages, camp facilities, leave reserve, hazard allowance, etc. The labor charges will be considered in the case of operational cost. So here you can see that the crew charges or maintenance charges and all those things will comes in the operational cost. So the maintenance and repair cost almost it will be say equal to the 75% of the purchasing a new equipment. So 75% of the new cost of the machine it will reach. The operator, new crew charges, tire and tube depreciation, fuel charges, labor charges, everything will comes under the operation cost. So here you can see hourly cost worker is equal to monthly salary into 12 divided by annual operational cost hours of the machine. Miscellaneous supplies taken 10% of the hourly repair cost. Next is the downtime cost. Downtime. What is mean by downtime cost? Time that a machine is not working because of repair or adjustment. So if the machine is not working for 1 week or 2 week or for a month because of any repair issue or any adjustment issue, that time is known as the downtime. So downtime means time that a machine is not working because of repair or adjustment. Downtime cost is defined as any profit that a company loses when its equipment or network stop functioning. For example, if it is an IT company, Infosys, Wipro, in that case, if their computers are not working, their internet connections are not working, if for 1 hour also, how much profit they will be using by that time, how much work will be pending by that time. So all those things comes under the company losses. Similarly, in the construction company also, for in that case, one equipment is not working for 1 week, the construction will be delayed and profit will be lost there. Other than that, we have to do the maintenance of that equipment, we have to do the repair of that equipment, or we have to go for some adjustment like purchasing another equipment or borrowing another equipment from another company. For that we have to pay the amount, so at that time also profit loss will be there. So downtown cost is defined as any profit that a company loses when its equipment or network stops functioning. The cost of downtime implies not only direct financial loss but can have an impact on your company in at least the other 4 ways. So this is not only losing the financial loss, this is not only implying the financial loss, it is also impacting the company in at least other 4 ways. What are the other 4 ways? First is reputation. So if we couldn't complete, we told that we will complete the work in 6 months, because of the equipment issue we had taken 8 months, so reputation will be gone. Productivity will be lost. Opportunities like other company opportunities or other people, they will call for construction right at the same time. So if the equipment is not working, we can't take up the work of other companies. At that time so many opportunities will be lost. And if it is an IT company, if the internet is not working, PCs are not working for 1 week or more than 3 to 4 hours, the data will be lost at that time. So these are some of the things. Other than the financial loss, we will be losing the reputation, productivity, opportunities and data in this time. Next is the obsolescence cost. Obsolescence costs are incurred when an item in inventory become obsolete before it is sold or used. So we are mentioned some of the items in the inventory. All the item what we are purchasing for the construction will be mentioned in the inventory. So if it become obsolete before it's sold or used, that is known as the obsolescence cost. Inventory obsolescence means the process of becoming outdated or no longer it is used. So if any equipment, it is like we purchased and it is outdated, new equipments are coming and that is not in use means, or no longer we can use means, that comes under the obsolescence cost. Then inventory may become obsolete due to product design changes or changes in the customer demand, or by remaining unsold after an acceptable shelf life. So most of the inventory item people will be in obsolete because new products are coming day by day. So when the new changes or designs of product coming day by day, and if there is any change in the customer demand, people will be expecting that new items in there. So when they expect new item, the old equipment will be outdated and it can't be used for no longer. It will be unsold and we can't even sell it for the as a second hand item also. So that amount will be lost at that time. And people, there will not be any shelf life for that equipment, and new technology has to be purchased. If any new software come, we have to purchase the new software and we have to throw out the old software. So at that time this obsolescence cost will be incurred. Then replacement cost. Market value is the value of the asset in the market, and replacement cost is the cost that will be incurred to replace the old assets with a new one now. So there will be market value will be there for a particular equipment. If we want to replace that equipment, based on the market value, we have to replace the old equipment and then we have to purchase a new one. For example, in our houses, washing machines will be there, so we will be replacing that with the new one. So we will be selling the old one and we will get some cost for that, and we'll be getting the new one. So the cost market will be depend on the market value. So what is the market value, what is the value of that particular asset in the market? Based on that, we will get the replacement cost and we will replace it with the old equipment with a new one. So these are the different types of factors that will be affecting the earning. So I hope you people are clear with the topic, what are the factors affecting the earning and operating cost. So these are the factors. I hope you are clear with that. So we will be coming with another topic, and almost important topics from the module 2 is completed. We will come up with the module 3 in the next class. Thank you everyone.